So we're good. It's all good. All right. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey, we're going to get back on the 350Z build, and we're going to go through, now that we are done with all of our welding. We've got this quarter panel, we got all of our welding in place, the floor pans, the frame, everything. It's all good. Our seam seals are in place, our undercoatings and our etch primers, everything is done. Now we can finally move on to the bodywork phase. And we don't have a lot to do, but we do have some little dings here and there, which are typical. Just parking lot little dings. That's probably the worst one on the whole car, is this one right here. So not a big deal at all. We should be able to breeze right through all of that. We're going to get to the front end, and as you can see, we've got some gap issues here, but we got brand new hood hinges, so that ought to help us a lot with that whole issue there. We can see where the gaps line up with the fenders. We'll get all that straightened out, get all these little dents and dings fixed, get everything that much closer to the paint process. Looks like we got a little bit of lifting paint here. This fender's been painted. You could actually see where it's got white. So this fender actually was white, then black, and I guess whenever they painted it, it didn't stick too well, so that's all got to get feathered back. I got a little bit more here, a little bit more over here. We'll get all that feathered back with some 80 grit. Just kind of going around the bodywork area with some 80 grit sandpaper to kind of feather back some of the 40 grit scratches from the bodywork itself. Now we'll go through and glaze all this stuff. part of the reason we're going to go ahead and do the 320 down the side. You could go in and Scotch-Brite all this, that would be fine, no problem. I would prefer doing it that way if it wasn't for all these little imperfections. I mean, we got little rock chips all over this thing. The edges are kind of banged up. This is a good opportunity, since we're going to seal the whole side anyway, to go in and kind of feather back some of our rock chips here and there. Got some down here we'll feather back. It'll make it a nice cleaner finish when we're done. Something I forgot to mention, I don't think I mentioned it, is when you're doing this part of the project, when you're going through in your 320 and your panel and things like that, keep the DA off your bodywork. If you guys don't already know, as soon as you hit it with this, it won't be straight anymore. I mean, we went through, we blocked all these out. They're nice and straight. We got a good body line here. If I were to come in here and just start running over this with my DA, none of this stuff will be straight anymore. You'll end up getting little highs and lows and waves, dips, and all that kind of stuff. So for you guys that don't know, I know a lot of you guys already know this stuff, but for you guys that don't know, keep this off your bodywork. So hey everybody, I think that's going to do it on this one, but don't worry, I'm going to get another one of these out to you guys real quick. I'm going to keep you guys updated on this one. It's moving along real good. We're going to repeat the whole process over on the driver's side, which isn't nearly as bad as the passenger side was, so it ought to go real quick. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to get back on the Datsun hardbody pickup. We're going to be working on the 1970 GMC as well. We got to get that motor put in, so that'll be a cool little video. You guys want to stay tuned for that. Please like, subscribe, and share. I really do appreciate you guys watching. Man, we are almost at 20,000 subs. We're like this close. Really appreciate it. I never even thought I'd ever have this many subs this quick. Awesome. I really do appreciate it, you guys. Don't forget my Instagram. We'll put a link in the description, and I will see you guys next time.